Prepare all required parts and tools before installation. At least 2 people are required during the installation. 1. Install the goal frame. Install the back pipe connector. Use gaskets and bolts to secure the back pipe connector to both ends of the upper beam. Connect the beam and column. First, insert the connector into the beam. Align the holes and secure them with bolts. Then install the column. Install the rear probe fastener to the bottom of the column, using bolts and gaskets. 2. Install the bottom frame. Connect the rear probe to the connector. Drive the bolt through the bottom, and secure it using spacers and nuts. Install the rear rail. Connect the rear probe to the rear crossbar, using long bolts and gaskets. 3. Install the rear pull rod. First, connect the upper and lower parts of the rear pull rod. At this time, you need to pay attention to the docking direction. The correct docking direction is shown in the figure. Use screws and spacers to secure them. Install the rear pull rod. Install the top cross pipe. Four. Hang a net. Stand up the handball goal. Put on the net. Secure the net into the buckle on the post. The bottom of the net is secured with nylon cable ties. 5. Install floor fasteners. Cut holes in the floor, size as shown in figure. Nail the floor fasteners securely using self-tapping. Move the goal over the fastener. When the holes are aligned, screw in the club's handle to secure the goal. Installation complete.
Qiangmeng Sports.